Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, it's Elisa and today we're going to draw the iconic character from Jujutsu Kaisen, Gojo Satoru. So let's get started. If you're watching this video, it's probably because, this man, or even this man. So let's draw him today. So first, I recommend doing a quick sketch of what you want to draw. This will help you visualize the proportions of the drawing. In this first step, don't worry too much about the details, just be quick and efficient. The goal is to capture the essence of the character. Now, even though our sketch doesn't quite look like Gojo yet, at least we have a direction to follow. Have confidence in yourself and just trust the process. Once you have your basic sketch, we can move on to the second step, the actual drawing. Use your sketch as a guide, but don't follow the line exactly. This step is about refining the details and bringing the character to life. Take your time and enjoy the moment. As you can see, your drawing is starting to resemble Gojo more and more. Finally, let's move on to the third and final step, adding shadows and details. For this, I use a 5B pencil, but you can use any other pencil you have in hand. And there you have it. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Like and subscribe so you don't miss my future creations. This was Elisa Drawing. Bye!